I can plan the perfect parties with these must-have products from Best Buy. I can uncork the possibilities with the Cuisinart Cordless Wine Opener. The automatic corkscrew can open up to 80 bottles of wine on just one full charge. And it has a vacuum sealer to keep any leftover wine fresh. The Ninja Foodi air fryer is the ultimate multitasker. I can air fry, broil, roast, bake, reheat. It even lets me cook 2 things at once and sync the settings so both foods cook thoroughly and finish within seconds. Chicken wings and curly fries, anyone? This Vitamix blender is a total beast. Check out this bean dip I just whipped up. The digital timer helps me get the perfect texture every time I blend. The Vitamix Perfect Blend app has over 500 recipes, so my party will never go stale. Overcooking or undercooking is no worry with the ThermaPro meat thermometer. The probe folds away for safety and it has a magnet on the back. Find all these products at bestbuy.com. See you at the next Homegate.